My name is Daniel Alarcon, and today I'm going to be showing you how to service your vehicle right here at Weston Volvo Cars. Once you've parked your vehicle in the service area, a service advisor will come out and greet you and find out how he can satisfy all your automotive service needs. Right here at Weston Volvo, at our large service shop with state-of-the-art tools, we can take care of any regularly scheduled maintenance and service repairs included in your Volvo warranty of 4 years or up to 50,000 miles. But come on, let's check out our service desk. Once you checked in right here, a service technician will set you up with a service advisor, and they will let you know when your maintenance and service repairs will be ready to go. But until then, you can come and check out our lounge area and grab a cup of coffee to keep yourself busy. Once you have checked in, you can wait in our new lounge area, enjoy a cup of coffee, and our free digital charging station. We also have 22 Volvo service loaners that can be reserved in advance if you don't have time to wait. We also offer a Volvo service shuttle that can drop you off at home or to your work if you decide to leave the vehicle early in the morning or overnight with us. One of the reasons Weston Volvo car owners love their vehicle ownership experience is because of our company's outstanding reputation for quality of service. Our service department has well-trained certified technicians and several Volvo expert technicians, as well as state-of-the-art tools and equipment to take care of your vehicle. You can make a service appointment in one of two ways. You can either call us at 888-959-0948 or visit our website, westonvolvocars.com, and book online by clicking on Schedule Service and filling out all the appropriate information. But please, feel free to stop by and check out our 4-story covered parking garage, our great customer service, and the best customer amenities in South Florida right here at Weston Volvo.